How to buy real estate. What is the process and how to navigate through it. This is the first video in series where I'll tell you everything that you need to know about buying real estate. Even if you already bought a couple of properties, I believe you will find this information useful, and I'm sure you will learn something that you did not know. There is a lot of material, and I split it into several videos. You will find links to all videos in the description. You can watch them individually, or you can simply watch all videos in sequence, starting with this one. At the end of each video, there will be an icon to go to the next video. The most common way to buy real estate is to work with a realtor to find a property and help you with all necessary steps to close the transaction. Of course, you can purchase a property directly from the owner, but even in that case, you will need to be aware about the steps that you need to make along the way, and I will cover all of those steps in my series. At a high level, you will need to do the following steps. If you need financing, you will need to get a pre-approval or pre-qualification letter from a lender. Also, you will need to get a proof of funds. These two steps will be in a video how to shop for a loan. The next step, you need to find a realtor and start working with the realtor to search for properties. Those two steps will be in a video how to find and work with the realtor. When you find a property, then you'll need to make an offer. If your offer is accepted, then you'll need to pay earnest money deposit. Those two steps will be in a video how to make an offer. After that, you need to hire somebody to perform inspection. There will be a separate video about that. If you finance your purchase, then you'll need to submit official loan application for the property you are buying, and also appraisal will need to be performed. That will be in a video loan processing after making your offer. All remaining steps like application to the association, title work, survey, transfer of remaining funds into escrow for closing, walkthrough inspection and closing itself will be covered in the final video, steps to closing on a home. As you see, there will be multiple steps, and this is how they are distributed across different videos in the series. The first step is to get pre-approval for a loan. In the next video, it should appear right here, you will learn how to shop for financing and how to get a loan pre-approval letter. Before you switch, please make sure to subscribe so you can easily find all this important information in the future.